Hi everyone, it's Alina and today I wanted to share something a little bit different with you. This is a preview of my upcoming tutorial where I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful giant peony flower with the light inside. Honestly, this was just a test video. I wanted to see how the flower looks from different angles, and it turned out so beautiful, so delicate and incredibly dreamy, especially when the light shines through the petals. The full tutorial will be published soon. I'm still editing it. It takes a bit of time, but I really wanted to share something with you today, and this little preview felt better than posting nothing at all. The way the petals catch the light, it just makes the whole room feel magical. Whatever you use it as a lamp, a prop or even decor, it brings so much elegance and warmth. And I know many of you will be wondering how big is it, what materials do I need and how many. So here is a quick peek. The flower is about 22 inches or 55 centimeters. It's over and like half a meter in diameter, and it's made from just one roll of crepe paper. I promise the full step-by-step tutorial is coming very soon, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this flower inspires you as much as it inspires me. See you soon. Bye bye.